Let's learn shapes with different colors and glitters. Silver glitter, silver glitter. Pink glitter, pink glitter. Golden glitter. Blue glitter, blue glitter and parrot glitter. Red glitter. Now we have sky blue glitter. Orange color. Rectangle shape. Pink color. Triangle shape. Green color. Star shape. Red color. Circle shape. Purple color. Heart shape. Sky blue color. Square shape. Rectangle shape. Rectangle has 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides. 2 equal and 2 equal. Triangle shape. Triangle has 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. And this is a star shape. Circle shape. Circle has 1 side. This is heart shape. And square shape. Square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 equal sides. Red color. Purple color. Yellow color. Green color. Pink color. Sky blue color. Red color. Let's make heart shape. Heart shape. Purple color. Let's make circle shape. Circle shape. Yellow color. Let's make star shape. Green color. Let's make rectangle shape. So this is rectangle shape. Pink color. Triangle shape. Square shape. Heart shape, circle, star, rectangular, triangle and square. Pink color, golden color, blue color, green color, sky blue color, silver color. Heart shape. Circle. Star. Rectangular. Triangle. Square. Heart. Circle, star, rectangular, triangle and square.